Hello everyone, I am Dr. Archana Prabhu, consultant psychiatrist at Crafts Mind Mental Health Care Center, Malad West. And today we are going to talk about when are you supposed to come and meet psychiatrist. So whenever we try to speak about mental health issues, unfortunately there is so much stigma and fear about it that we avoid talking about it. But knowing and speaking about it is very important because we need to know some red flag signs, so when you can observe it in someone else or you yourself are going through it, you know that it needs to reach out for help at right time. So first one is inability to control your emotions. All our emotions like sadness, anger, irritability, they are normal. But if any of these emotions they become very excessive, if they are very difficult to control, and even they occur at a very trivial issues, then it's time to get evaluated. Second one is change in sleep pattern. Difficulty in falling asleep, difficulty in continuation of the sleep at night, or repeated waking up during the sleep throughout the night, and then also difficulty in going back to sleep, then all these issues it needs evaluation. Also, when you have daytime drowsiness, because at night if you are not sleeping properly, then during daytime you tend to sleep more, and sometimes increased sedation or increased sleepiness is also can be symptoms of stress or depression. Third one, increased use of drugs like alcohol, smoking, or any other drug, because increase of these drugs are usually it happens to deal with the stress or any kind of other mental health issues, but it is a red flag sign because instead of reducing the stress it worsens the situation, and also it increases the chances of you getting into the dark side of addictions related to that drug use. Fourth was is social isolation. So if you have recently started avoiding people, you don't want to meet anyone, you don't want to interact with any of the family, friends, neighbors, or any other people around you, and you feel like you have gone into your shell, then you need evaluation. Fifth one is feeling disinterested. So lately you realize that the things which you used to enjoy before, like watching TV or going for shopping or listening to music, painting, or even work or any kind of activities which you were enjoying before, now suddenly you lose interest in it. You don't enjoy, you don't feel happy when you're doing it. Then again it is a red flag sign. Unexplained physical symptoms. We all know that the mind and body is related. So definitely when your mind gets disturbed, it also reflects on your body. So usually the bodily symptoms like unexplained bodily pains, weight pains, headache, body ache, the tiredness and everything, it can be also a symptom related to the stress or any of the mental health issues. Then excessive anxiety, worry, sadness, or thoughts of negative thought, rumination, all of these are again red flag signs. Low energy and feeling lethargic. When you feel very difficult to work at home as well as in your office or personal work, and you tend to keep on making mistakes, you drag yourself to even daily routines, and that kind of lethargy has to be evaluated. Forgetting things, lack of concentration, low self-esteem, constant continuous negative thoughts in your mind, and negative outlook at all possible situations with which you are surrounded needs to be evaluated. So any of these red flag signs, when they occur in one or in many as together, and they're affecting your personal, professional life and also your work life, then definitely you need to visit to any mental health professional who is available around you, and at least discuss with them that whether this is serious, what kind of treatment it requires. Sometimes it's just a counseling, or sometimes you need medicine, but of course you can't know about it until unless you go and discuss it with someone. So this is it. So you need to understand that mental health is as important as physical health, so make mental health your priority. If you have any questions or queries, then please ask in the comment box. Thank you.